After the storm passes, many people ask, what should I do now? It's normal to feel overwhelmed after a catastrophe. The best approach is to stay calm, think clearly, and act step by step. As your insurer, our goal is to guide you through the right actions in the right order so you can stay safe and ensure a smoother claims process. Let's walk through what to do after a disaster. First and most importantly, ensure personal safety. Before checking your vehicle, confirm that your surroundings are safe. Avoid unstable structures, fallen debris, or damaged electrical lines. Always wait until authorities declare the area safe before going outside. Remember, no inspection should ever compromise your safety. Next, if your vehicle was exposed to floodwater, do not attempt to start it. Do not turn the ignition or try to move the vehicle. Starting a flooded engine can cause severe internal damage and complicate technical assessment. Instead, wait for proper inspection and professional assistance. Once conditions are safe, begin documenting the damage. Take clear photos of all sides of the vehicle. Capture interior damage if flooding occurred, visible watermarks, surrounding flood levels, debris, and make sure the plate number is visible. Photos should reflect the vehicle's condition before any movement or repair. After documentation, you may secure temporary protection if it is safe to do so. Move the vehicle to a secure or elevated area if possible and arrange towing if needed. However, avoid drying, dismantling, or repairing vehicle parts unless advised by your insurer. Preserving the lost condition helps ensure proper assessment. Next, notify your insurer as soon as possible. Early notice activates support and coordination. Be ready to provide your policy number, contact details, the date and time of the incident, and a short description of what happened. Timely reporting allows faster coordination with adjusters and repair facilities. You may also be asked to submit supporting documents. Depending on the situation, this may include a police report for accidents or theft, a barangay certification for flood incidents, and photo documentation with a brief narrative of what occurred. Providing these early helps prevent delays. Another important reminder, avoid unauthorized repairs. Do not begin major repairs without coordinating with your insurer. Premature repairs may affect proper assessment, complicate evaluation, and delay reimbursement. Always coordinate first. Many delays happen because of 3 common mistakes: lack of early documentation, attempts to start flooded engines, and unauthorized repairs. That's why structured action matters. Stay calm, document clearly, and coordinate early. At Perla Insurance, we remain ready to assist you every step of the way. For more catastrophe readiness guidance every Friday, follow us and message us anytime if you need assistance.
All is well with Perla Insurance.